wait. Kind of lost its oomph for a little bit. Maybe it'll start turning again. It's got to be like right there. Power flashes. Power flashes. Jamie, that's a tornado, dude. They just, all those tour group just fucking left.
Yeah.
Do we have any top? No. Consolidating right here up the top, right here. We are about a quarter mile away from this tornado. Over the trees. Over the trees.
Yep. Got it.
Told you, I saw that the rotation.
You got the power flash.
I got the power flash on video. Watch for it. Watch for it. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. In a good spot. We're in the inflow of it.